Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. I'm so excited to share with you one of my favorite designs from my shop, the Knit Stitch Effect Football Eyelet and Keychain set. This design is perfect for creating unique and practical accessories with a fun, textured look. Let's dive into the process of bringing these designs to life. To start, I've already prepped my embroidery machine and selected my thread colors. This design is so versatile, allowing you to customize it to match your favorite team colors or personal preferences. The Knit Stitch effect adds an incredible texture that looks just like a hand-knitted design. It's truly amazing to watch it come to life. As the machine stitches, you'll notice how smoothly it runs, creating a precise and professional look every time. This is why I love creating in-the-hoop embroidery projects. They combine creativity with precision. Once the design is fully stitched, you can see how the details pop. It's a high-quality finish that's perfect for both personal use and gifting. Next comes the cutting stage. I carefully remove the keychains from the hoop and use my favorite pair of sharp scissors to cut out keychain A and keychain B. Cutting out the keychains requires a steady hand, but it's also a relaxing step that really lets you appreciate the craftsmanship of the design. I like to leave just a tiny border around the stitching to give it a polished look. Once the pieces are cut, it's time to add the snaps. This step brings the project together and transforms the design into a functional keychain. I use my snap setter tool, which makes the process quick and easy. You'll see how the snaps secure the folded edge, creating a durable and stylish finish. It's always satisfying to hear that little click. When the snap is in place, it means your keychain is ready to use. Finally, let me show you a few more designs from my shop. These are all created with the same high standards, and each one offers a unique look. From sports-themed designs to adorable patterns for every season, there's something here for everyone. My goal is to make designs that are not only beautiful, but also easy and enjoyable to create. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing the process and feel inspired to try this project yourself. You can find this design and many others in my Etsy shop at artapli.etsy.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more embroidery tips and tutorials. Happy stitching, and I'll see you next time.